Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. I just purchased a Greenworks pressure washer. It was an 1800 PSI, and it worked great. I picked it up from Lowe's. I know there's another one on Amazon that I've seen that was a 1700 PSI, but I was in Lowe's, I seen it, I picked it up, and like I said, it worked good. And I also got a foam cannon from Lowe's as well. But I'm going to do a comparison video. I think I'm going to order another one off of Amazon. There was a couple things that I didn't really like about the foam cannon that I purchased from Lowe's. It just didn't have enough adjustments to the foam. The other ones that I've seen on Amazon does, and I'll probably make a comparison video, like I said. And I'm sure I'm going to make another comparison video about the gas versus the electric. This is my first time using an electric pressure washer, and I was pleased with the results. But like I said, I'm going to make another comparison video to see what the difference is. And hopefully you like this video, and hopefully it helps. So thanks for watching. See you guys.
I ain't all that good looking. She put me on the shelf like a doctor from looking. But every time she hear me play, her knees get a little weaker. Finally, I hear her say where I turn stereo speaker. Damn it. In the backseat of the car, I don't know